bum ba dum bum 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 ba dum da 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 da. Once upon a time, in a place that was similar to ours, but slightly different, there lived a bunch of animals that were to eat or to be eaten. There was a chicken who had a happy life, and a new egg added to the family. Little did she know, she was about to be eaten, and her breasts were to be made into a Happy Meal at McDonald's.
Coo! Hello, Mr. Pig. It's quite a lovely day here at the factory where we are cramped up and have to eat our own poop. But hey, that's every day.
My owner has me tied up on the leash today, but she says we can go frolicking in the flowers later today. That's nice, very nice. Oh well, hopefully I'm not bacon.
I love them fried chickens.